We're going to start today by evaluating this expression, 6 cubed times 6 to the 5th. Now we should follow order of operations to do this, so we will do exponents first. 6 cubed will make 216, and 6 to the 5th power makes 7,776. And now when we multiply 216 by 7776, we will get 1,679,616. Evaluate 6 to the 8th power. And look at that, the exact same answer. So this should lead you to our next law of exponents, that when you are multiplying two terms with the same base, you can just add the exponents together. 3 plus 5 gives us 8, and we keep that same base. So on your next index card, let's record this law. The x to the something times x to the something will equal to the a plus b power, those two exponents added together. So now on the back of your card, let's do a little practice with this next law. Here we have x to the 4th times x to the negative 11th. Notice the bases are the same, so we can add the x. This means we're going to do next expression, simplify. X to the 4th times y to the negative 11th. You're right if you're thinking we can't do anything with this because the bases are not the same. This is our answer. We can only add exponents if the things we're multiplying have the same base. Next one. X to the 4th plus x to the negative 11th. No adding exponents here either, because now we are adding these terms together, and these are not like terms, so they can't be combined. Our last problem for today, look at these. We're going to multiply these monomials together. We've got a bunch of variables. We're going to do this the same way. Coefficients, 5 times 7 makes 35. Now the bases that are the same, the x's, we have an exponent of 2 and an exponent of negative 4. When we add those together, we will get negative 2. Now we've got bases of y, and these y's have exponents negative 4, positive 6. When we add those together, we get 2. And now the last base we're dealing with here is the z. We've got a z to the 8 and a z to the 1. So when we add 8 and 1, we will get z to the 9th power. And now technically here, using our negative exponent law, this x to the negative 2 could be rewritten as 1 over x to the positive 2. And then to put this in simplest form, we would have 35 y to the 2, z to the 9, and that x to the 2 is down in the denominator.